Hello, I'm Yahweh Pusai. I'm going to show you a demo on how to perform um, service area analysis using SuperMap iDesktop 10E 2021. Okay, let me share my screen and quickly we can start. Um, yeah, okay, okay. As you can see, we use a SuperMap iDesktop 10E and I will quickly create a folder for the work for demo, the folder that I named for demo. And this folder will contain our, you this folder contain our, will contain our data source and data set. So we create a new data source that we name, yeah, name it network analysis, Togo, name demo. Yeah, we create database data source that we save on our demo folder. So under this folder, we create a data set. We import data set from. I already imported data set from the website, so that I put in another data folder. So we import our data source from those data like I think this one, yeah, administrative data. We import the administrative one data and we click import. After that, we import also the OpenStreetMap data. If I click import data sets, import OpenStreetMap data, uh, we import the whole data sets and and the POI. So we have the whole data set. Mm, okay, so for the votes, shift one, and we import also a POI data. This one, oh no, the vote and the POI. So we import the two data to our software.
Unknown computer found.
Okay, we have our data already loading our workspace. So we put our data in the Windows, Mac Windows. Because we need to work, we want to work on the soft region, Maritime region area. So we want to click our map. Uh, we go to our map, we click our map. So we rename Maritime region, Maritime region, uh, click, we click inside and click on OK. So we have our data clip. We can put the clip data in the map windows. So we have the clip data already. Now we add uh, the road at the current map, and you need to click the roads data. So we go to spatial analysis and SQL query, spatial query, and we click the roads, and the query condition is an intercept region line, and uh, we change the name, the result name, spatial query, uh, network analysis, non-maritime region, uh, roads, uh, spatial query, spatial query, and click on OK. We click on query, so we have our road query. Okay, we, we add the query road in our map. So uh, now we need to load the POI. First, we need to carry the POI, and we go with the from PG spatial query. We carry the POI, the query condition, control version, and you have to specify the software that you want to carry. You want to carry the hospital. So the F class is equal to hospital, hospital. You click on OK, and the save result as maritime region, maritime region, um, hospital, spatial query. You highlight in map, and we click on query. So we can unvisit this one. No, we can unvisit this one, and we add our hospital query in the map.
Unknown computer found.
Yeah. Okay. So now we have no. First, let me change the style of. Okay, let's go. Can zoom in to see clearly. Okay. Now we have the road. We need to work on the main roads. Yeah, the main road, so that we will perform one action again on the roads, like SQL query. First, we can check for the road. Uh, the road, the road spatial query. The bus activity, you can see we have different types of road. So we want to work on the primary and secondary road. So we query the primary and secondary road. Okay, spatial analysis, uh, SQL query. We demo, we query the road where the class of the road is equal to uh, primary, the primary, yeah, class is equal to the primary link equal to secondary road, the F class is uh, equal to secondary link. Okay. So highlight the map, save result like Maritime region, Maritime region, Maritime region, road name. Okay, and click on query. So we can unvisit this one. No, but not this one. Yeah, we can unvisit this one and add the road name. Okay, for the road name, we need to check some data, special data. We need to check the data so we can check line checker, road name, demo road name. Okay, and we check this. Okay, now we uh we can perform the 2D analysis, data traffic analysis, network by topology. Okay, now we perform the
Unknown computer
2D
found.
topology processing. Okay, 2D topology processing. Click on OK. So after the 2D topology processing, we can now perform the network by topology. 2D network, we can structure now the 2D network. Okay, now we have speed line by point, speed line by intersection. Yeah, we can dataset. The dataset name is the network because we want to create a network by topology and we click on OK. So that we have the network, and as we can check the network, we have the point, node, and edge. So we can add uh, our network, like and we see the main road, and we add our network to the current map. So we have the network, and we can also try to multi-region. We can also try to create a style for our point data hospital. So, okay, we choose our hospital here and we click on OK. So we have created the network by topology, and also we create a style for the hospital in the Maritime region area. So now we can perform the uh, traffic analysis. So we can perform the service area analysis by selecting service area analysis. We click on it. So we see we have the uh, automatic CAD data that is created. So now uh, what to do is first let me check the environment, and it's okay. So we will make a configuration of our data. First, we need to import. Let us import the service stop. So the service stop will be uh, our hospital, and we import the hospital. After the after we successfully import the hospital, we can configure the environment. So here I think we will use 3000. Okay, uh, let me copy this one as okay. Let me open another folder, and I will copy from here and pass here. Go fast. Okay.
Unknown computer found.
So in the last one, and now we can analyze from center and stop, analyze service stop meters, analyze generate routes, and generate complex area. So after that, we can click on uh, OK, and we can run the analysis. Okay, so that the system will generate the radius around 30, 3000, 3000. So this is the result. And what we can do again is to maybe style, create a style here by invisible. We can invisible this one, and yeah, try you save. Okay, you save the temporary data, this temporary data in the data source. So right click on it and save the data set. Like we save our data set. Mm, we copy, not save, sorry. We need to copy our data to the temporary data. Yeah, we need to copy the temporary data here. We need to copy to our data source. So we copy data set here and we put it in our data source, and target data set, uh, service area, analysis result, then we click on OK. So we have our data set. If you close, we will not lose our data, our analysis. So this is the result, and we can, if you want, we can close this one, and we can also perform other traffic analysis like optimal path for analysis, PSP path, closest facility, and so on. So you have the choice to perform all the data you want. So this is the result, and after you just create a map, a layout, you create a layout. You can save this one map first. You can save the map as yeah, the demo, the map, and click OK. So our map is created, and we can create
Unknown computer found.
a diagram, and create a new layout also. So for the diagram, we can we go down just to uh, the map, no, the object operation in your what uh, create the diagram. What you want to create the diagram first. Um, we have in our data. You can create the diagram here. You can choose the type, and you click on one type you want, and after you create the diagram. Due to the time limit, will not create just for you. And the same for the layout. Also, we can create a new layout here, and choose one here. Okay, so I will not create also the layout because of the time, but I already do it. I will show you quickly uh, to see the result. Okay, so that we know After the creation, you see that you create your layout, you import the map, you import what you want, and you create the layout. This is the diagram. You can create a diagram according to your need, and you save your map. So uh, due to the time limit, I will not do. But those who want to see how to create the layouts, you can go to my previous session and see. I show how to create layouts in using SuperMap iDesktop. So thank you for watching this video, and I think you have learned a lot of new things using SuperMap. So thank you again, and this is the end. Thank you.